Welcome back, boss chicks. Welcome to a special episode of Nails and Science. Here I have some lavender violets polish. We're going to be doing some hacks that we've seen on Instagram and TikTok. So I'm just mixing a drop. My idea here is a lot like cooking. You add a little so you can add, but you can't take out. So I'm mixing a little bit at a time. And this was a hack to get colored acrylic. So after mixing for a bit, this is the color that I get, and I'm not very satisfied with what I see. So I'm going to add a little bit more gel polish. Now, no one ever said how much to put in. So this is all just trial and error. To test this out, I'm going to be using the Young Nails Core Triple X White. I'm also going to be using the Mia Secret Clear. And I poured a little bit of it in a dapping dish because I didn't want to put that brush into the bigger container of clear. So here's what we have. That's what that first bead looks like. Going to be picking up a large bead for the most part so that we can see. Going to go ahead and tap that 3 times, grab a bead of white. So this is what we have so far. Now they recommended that you actually use white, but my thinking is maybe the triple X white was a little bit too white, so I'm going to go ahead and try it with just the core white from Young Nails, and I'm going to see what we get. This is what that's looking like with the core white. Is not as bright pink as the other one. Again, that's the Mia Secret Clear, the triple X core white, and just the Young Nails core white. And that's what we're getting so far. So I'm going to go ahead and see about doing this again. Now, I went on ahead and grabbed my Young Nails Clear, and that's what I'm getting. So far, so good with the clear. This is what it's looking like. I'm going to go ahead and show you again the gel polish that we're using. This is the Lavender Violets. Here's the swatch of the Mia Secret Clear, Triple X Core White, and the Core Clear, all from Young Nails. So I'm just showing you right here what it's looking like. I'm going to test this out. I'm going to allow this mixture to sit for 5 minutes, and we'll be right back. And that is it. The timer is done. So it's been 5 minutes. Let's get back to it. The Mia Secret Clear that I have in this dapping dish right here. We have the core white and the triple X core white. So if you guys don't remember, we did the clear first. I'm just going to have, I closed it because I wasn't using it during those 5 minutes, and you want to keep everything all nice, clean, and straight. And so here it is after 5 minutes. To make sure. All right. Now let's hop to it. So again, I'm going to do a large bead so you guys can see it on camera. And we're going to tap off a little bit, and then we're gonna go in for a 3 tap. We're gonna go ahead and that's that first bead of clear, Mia Secret Clear. This is the triple X core white. This is a core white. I had switched them around and then I had to put them back. So this is the triple X one, core triple X white. We're going in for a large bead. Let's see. So that is that one. So we're still getting that pink color. Okay. And then we're going to go in for the core white. Let's see. So yeah, I feel like the clear does give you the best. And I'm just gonna do it like that so I don't drag it. So I'm gonna go back. So that's the Young Nails one. And I'm gonna do the Mia Secret one. Do you guys think that also what may play a part in it is the type of polish? So I'm just gonna sit the bead down. I don't want to smash it too much because then you guys not gonna be able to really see it. What if I add? Wipe that off. It did change the color a bit, but I mean, I don't know. It's not as bright of a red. I'm sure maybe if you build it up, maybe it would work. If you were going like for a whole nail, perhaps you could. Let's see. I'm gonna build it up and then see what happens. So, does it work? I think so. I just think it works a lot better with the clear rather than your white powders. And I don't know. Do you think it's because it's clear powder, so it allows the gel to kind of, you know, pull through the color a little bit more, so it penetrates the color a little bit more, so it makes it more opaque? I think that if you were looking, let's say maybe you didn't have like a pink and you wanted to get like a pink, you could use this like a red gel polish and use a white, and then you would be able to tone down this. I think it works. I like it. At first I was like, I don't know, guys. I don't know. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining this nail experiment. As always, go ahead. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Be sure to share this video to your social sites. Go ahead, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next. And if you like these nail experiments, go ahead and let me know that too. And we can keep trying some nail things and having nail fun. This is the first episode of Nails and Science. Thank you so much for joining. You all have a great day.